So, hello, I'm here in Berlin and I'm with Robbie, and I thought this would be such a wonderful opportunity to introduce you all to Robbie, who I did a cacao workshop here last year, and we're going to be running a cacao workshop together in London on the 7th of June. So Robbie, tell me, what is cacao and how does it work in a workshop?
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you, Nick. I'm super happy to come to London on the 7th of June. So, Cacao Ceremony is an ancestral medicine that has been around for 3,000 years. Different civilizations, such as the Aztecas and also the Mayas, were using this medicine to connect with the spirits, to connect with the benefits of this plant. And it has been used also by different Native Americans in my continent. So I come from Chile, and yeah, I have been following the teachings of the Native Americans in different parts of the continent. And a really good way to connect with our ancestral lineages and healing processes are with power plants. And this in particular, this medicine of cacao allows us to really open up our heart, open up our throats, connect with our emotions, with with also our inner child. So it will be a beautiful instance for us to heal as a community, as queer community, and yeah, to have a beautiful time together, singing, meditating, and also having some uplifting sound healing session.
So beautiful. So yeah, thank you, Robbie. And it's going to be a really beautiful day, a very special day. A chance for us to connect as community, to share, to connect from the heart, to soften and be present with one another in this very heart-based space, which Robbie holds really beautifully. Don't worry if you don't feel you're a good singer. It would be very simple to join in and just allow your voice to become more free and to connect through sound with others. And we'll be having some sound healing, so that will be a chance for you in the afternoon to relax, rest, lie back, listen to the sound healing and let it resonate through your body. So it'd be amazing to have you there. Really look forward to sharing this space with Robbie. So please look at the links around this video or go to the booking page and you can book there. So bye for now.
Bye bye.
Bye.